Welcome to my channel. Let's do some cooking. This is my Bacalong fish omelette. My Bacalong fish omelette is a fusion concept between Filipino, Spanish, and Puerto Rican cuisine. The main ingredients is just silverfish, salted codfish, some goose eggs, and smoked paprika. I like to use goose eggs because they taste very similar to duck eggs, but they're a bit more rich and eggy than chicken eggs, and can be used pretty much the same way as any other type of eggs in cooking and baking. Let's start by chopping the garlic very fine, super fine. I mean, I'm gonna work this garlic for a while because I'm gonna use it to infuse the olive oil because I love infusing my olive oil with garlic. As I continue mixing my garlic into very fine, I'm always remembering myself to always use the safety knife cutting technique and keep my fingers away from the sharp edges. Well, I got my garlic super fine right now. I really like to have it this fine, and I'm about to add it to my wooden mortar to infuse the olive oil. Add 2 teaspoons of the minced garlic to your mortar. Warm 2 tablespoons of the oil in a small pan, and I'm gonna show you a trick. When you see it's ready, if you want to really know, just stick a wooden spoon in the oil, and if it starts bubbling, that oil is ready to use. Add the oil to the garlic in the mortar so you can infuse it with the garlic there, okay? This is a real good trick to get that flavor from the garlic and pass the olive oil. I love to use my mortar and start just grinding it there just to infuse that oil more. And I like sometimes to keep on going till I make a paste out of it. So in another bowl, just add the goose eggs, add the salt and the pepper, and just start stirring it. If you feel that you stir it enough, just start adding the silverfish. Stir more. Add the salted codfish. A little bit of that garlic that we made into emulsion, a little bit of the sweet smoked paprika, and mix it a little bit more. And more. And more. I said that's enough. Get your frying pan, get the rest of the oil, just warm it up, check with a wooden spoon. If it doesn't make no bubbles, it's not ready yet. If you start making bubbles, that oil is ready to start frying. This is an amazing technique just to make sure that the oil is ready so nothing sticks in your frying pan. Now that the oil is ready, we're gonna add the bacalong mix into the frying pan and we're gonna cook it in medium heat. Okay? Just let it get golden, and when it starts to get brownish, start probing with a spatula to see how is the consistency that this is frying. And when you have the chance, just fold it. So how do you know it's ready? This is not a scrambled egg, okay? So when it starts getting golden brownish, that omelette is done. Pour some more, keep on cooking. So when I'm cooking my bacalong, I like to probe it with my spatula just to check how is the firmness. So when I'm in the point to folding it, it doesn't break like that. It should look when you're done. So I decided to do like 3 omelettes of the bacalong. I had some visitors in my house and I want them to really experience a new dish they have never tried before, and they love seafood. So as I was done, they told me it was amazing, and I told them, yeah, I know, that's what I've been eating for a long time. Bacalong goes great with bread, especially if you spread that garlic that we made before. But I like to add some avocados and some hot sauce. Thank you for watching, and buen provecho.